Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can insert advertisement right here in Microsoft Publisher. Yes, so for instance, you're doing a local advertisement and you wanted to insert some stuff. I'm going to give you some simple example from the system that you can actually insert as a beginner. Yes, so you're going to come all the way to the top of the screen. All of these is known as tab. So when you click on the Home tab, it bring up the ribbon right there. So in the ribbon, you have group. If you notice, clipboard right here is one group, font right here is one group, paragraph is another group. So I want to click on it to insert. Now when you click on insert, you notice you come all the way in the middle, which is building block. You notice it's advertisement, right? You can click, but if you want option, you come right here. Now when you click on this, now you notice, this give you several options. I'm going to click on this one, right? You're going to appear right over here. If you notice how small it is, I can actually come like that and expand it some more just like that. Remember now it's just a simple advertisement we're doing so far. Right, so for instance, it's a shipping agency actually doing it for. You can actually create it just the same, extend it just like that. You notice? It's so simple, you can simply put the organization name right here. So this is a simple flyer. When you're done, you can actually come for the design here. You can put a little touch to the background. Right, come here. You notice? To the background, you notice? Yes, put a little touch to the background and all of that. Nice. Wonderful. Yes, you can put a little touch. So this is where you can actually add advertisement, right? So even while you put this now, I can click this picture here and put in my own picture right here. I can move these words and put in my own words, right? If you notice, if I click right here, give me the option right here, I can put in my own words. If I click right here, I can move this picture and put in mine. Here, I just simply click and put in organization name, and that's it. So this is the way you can actually insert advertisement right here in Microsoft Publisher. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.